Hello, good afternoon. I am Dr. Saili Bidkar, Consultant Pediatric Neurologist at Kokilaben Dhirubhai Ambani, Mumbai. Today we are going to discuss about headache in children. So headache in children is very common problem, especially in the school going age group. It causes lot of school absentees in the children, and it is one of the most important reason for the anxieties and stress in their parents. So just briefly we'll discuss what are the types of headache, what are the common causes of headache, and what are the warning signs where we should be little more alert and take the medical advice. Headache can be classified into primary or secondary headache. Secondary headache is a headache which is usually associated with underlying other issues, like sometimes they have headache along with cold or fever. Sometimes ear or sinus infection like sinusitis can also lead to headache in children. Sometimes headache could be the only and first manifestation of underlying hypertension, that is increased blood pressure in the children. Very less likely brain tumor could be the cause of headache in children. But if we want to discuss what are the common causes of headache in children, tension type headache is common amongst the children, and also migraine. When we listen to the word migraine, we usually think that migraine usually happens in the adult, but that is not the situation. Migraine headaches are one of the common causes of headache among children as well. So how we usually the migraine manifest in the children? Migraine headaches are usually holocranial or hemicranial, that is they involve the entire brain or half of the brain. They are usually pulsatile in nature, throbbing in nature, severe in intensities. Usually when the kids have headache associated with migraine, they have vomiting or tendency of vomiting. They can have very high sensitivity for bright light as well as loud sound. So they would complain of this photophobia or phonophobia. Sometimes that may be associated with some visual disturbances as well. Usually these headaches occur most commonly in the afternoon or late evening times, and kids feel better after taking rest or adequate sleep for some time. There are some triggers which usually precipitates this migraine headache in children. Usual triggers are dark chocolates, caffeinated drinks like tea or coffee, prolonged exposure to screen time either with mobile, television or any other medias. Other stressor which is or trigger which is common in for migraine headache is also lack of sleep or inadequate sleep. So once we trigger this common problems which can trigger the migraine headache, the headache could be better. So trigger avoidance is most important cornerstone in the management, and we usually use SMART acronym, that is adequate sleep, proper meals, proper activity, some form of physical activity, relaxation and trigger avoidance. So this is a cornerstone in the management of migraine, but if along with that if headache still continues, we might need a medications for that. So we have discussed about the common causes of headache in children, but there are some warning signs or there are some red flag signs. If you are witnessing in your child, you should urgently seek medical attention, and these red flag signs are: if your child is getting up because of headache from sleep, if as soon as after getting up in the morning if he complains of headache, if the headache is associated with intractable or severe vomiting, if this headache is associated with vision concern like blurring of vision, double vision, or if the headache is associated with some form of loss of consciousness or unsteadiness in walking, this could be the red flags. If you are witnessing these symptoms in your children, you should seek immediate medical attention. If you have any queries regarding headache with your child, we are happy to help you, and you can always contact on our website. Thank you.